Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel! I'm Dewey, your go-to water drop. We're gonna have so much fun exploring together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you soon!
What is HCF? HCF means it is the highest common factor. Now let's solve out some problems on HCF. Find HCF of 6 and 9. So first we have to find out the factors of 6. How to find out the factors of 6? We will do a small working column. Factors are the numbers that can divide 6 exactly. For example, if we divide 6 by 1, 1 6 are 6. We will be getting 0 as the remainder. The number should be divided exactly. That means the remainder should be 0. So here the factor is 1 into 6. Next, let's try with the next number. Let's go with the order 1, 2. Whether 6 can be divided by 2 exactly. 2 3s are 6, 0. So here 2 3s are 6. Next, let's try with the next number 3. 3 2s are 6. So here 3 2s are and 2 3s are means the same. It is just a reciprocal. So no need to write this. We have already written. Next, let's try with the next number, that is 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 4 1s are 4. We will be getting 2 as the remainder. So this cannot be the factor of 6. Next, let's try with the next number, that is 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So 5 1s are 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. So as we are getting the remainder, this cannot be the factor of 6. Next, let's find out the next number. 6 by 6, 6 1s are 6. We are getting 0 here, but we have already written this number, that is 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are and 1 6 are remains the same. It is just a reciprocal. So no need to write again. Next, we can't divide 7 by 6. So we will stop over here. So the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Next, let's find out the factors of 9. We will follow the same steps. Number 1 can be divided exactly by any number. So around we can write 1 into 9. So no need for the workout. You can directly write the answer. Next, let's try with number 2. Number 2, 9, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So we can take 2 4s are 8. When we minus, we will get the remainder as 1. So this cannot be the factor of 9. Next, number 3, 3 3s are 9. 3 can be the factor of 9, that is 3 into 3. Next, let's try with the next number. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So this cannot be the factor of 9. Next, with the 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So 5 1s are 5. We will be getting the 4 as remainder, and this cannot be the factor of 9. Next, after 5, we are getting 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 6 1s are 6. We will get 3 as remainder. So we cannot take 6 as factor of 9. Next is 7. 7 1s are 7. So we will get the 2. No. Next, 8. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. So 8 1s are 8. So we will get 1 as a remainder, and this cannot be the factor of 9. Next, last 9. 9 1s are 9. This one we have already written. 9 1s are 9, 1 9s are 9 are the same. Next, we cannot take the number 10 because 10 will be greater than 9. Hence, the factors of 9 are 1, 3, 3 and 9. Next step is we have to find out the common factors of 6 and 9. 6 and 9 are in these two numbers, in these two set of numbers, we have to find which are the common factors or common numbers. See, 1 is common. 2, are we having 2? No. 3 is common. Are we having 6? No. Are we having 9? No. So the common factors of 6 and 9 are 1 and 3. The next step, the last step is hence the HCF of 6 and 9 are. In these common factors, we have to choose the highest common factor. So, which is highest number, 1 or 3? 3 is greater than 1. Hence, the HCF of 6 and 9 are 3. Next problem, find HCF of 18 and 27. So first step is we have to find out the factors of 18. I'll be showing you how to find the factors of any number easily. If you're finding difficult of doing working column, working of division, you can directly write the answers. I will show you how it is. For this, you should be familiar with multiplication of all the numbers. Then you can solve out this problem easily and quickly without doing any workouts. So first we have to find out the factors of 18. Now you all are familiar about the factors. Means 18 should be exactly divided by any number. And as I said, number 1 can be divided exactly by any number. So first we will write 1 into 18. Next we will see in 2 tables. Do we get 18 in 2 tables? Yes. 2 9s are. Next, in which table we will get 18? It should not be the reciprocal. 9 2s are and 2 9s are means the same. Next, do we get 18 in 3 1s are table, 3 table? Yes, 3 6 are. Do we get 18 in 4 1s are? No. In 5? No. In 6? No. In 7? No. In 8? No. 9? 9 means 9 2s are. So we have already written here. Next, 10, no. 11, 12, 13. So all these we will be getting the remainder if we divide. So we can stop over here, and hence the factors of 18 are, start writing 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Similarly, let's find out the factors of 27. So first we can write 1 into 27. Next, in which table we can see the 27? In 2? No. In 3? Yes. 3 9s are 27. In 4? No. 5? No. 6? No. 7? No. 8? No. 9? 9 3s are we have already written. Next, 10? No. 11? No. 12? No. 13? No. 14? No. 15? No. 16? No. 17? No. 18? No. 19? No. 20? No. 21? 22? 23? 24? 25, 26, 27. So for 27 ones are 27 we have already written. So the factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9 and 27. So to write this directly, you should be familiar with all the numbers tables. If you are finding difficult to remember the tables, you can do the workout of division and you can find the factors. So the next step is, which is the common factors of 18 and 27. Which are the common factors? 1, 2, no, 3 and 9. So let's write here 1, 3 and 9. The last step, hence the HCF of 18 and 27 is, which is the highest number among 1, 3 and 9. 9 is highest number, highest common factor. So the 9 will be the answer. Let's solve out another problem. Find the HCF of 16 and 23. So first let's find out the factors of 16. That is equal to 1 into 16. And which are the tables we will get? 16, 2, 8s are 16. And then 3, no, 4, 4s are 16. 5, no, 6, no, 7, no, 8, no, 9, 8. We have already written 9, no, 10, no. So what are the factors of 16? 1, 2, 4. 4 we have written already. 8 and 16. Next, let's find out the factors of 23. 1 into 23, which is common. Do we get 23 in any other table? No. So the factors of 23 are 1, 23. Next, we have to find out the common factors of 16 and 23. Which are the common factors? 1. Only 1 is the common factor. So, 1. Hence, HCF of 16 and 23 will be 1. So, no computers, no other numbers at all. So, 1 will be the HCF of 16 and 23. So, to find out the HCF, you should be familiar with the tables, multiplication of all the number tables.
Thanks for watching. Like and share this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe for more fun.